Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the fade to black transition on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and we have these two footages right here that we will be using as an example. So we'll be using a fade to black transition. So first of all, we're going to go into our effects panel. And from here, we're going to go and search for deep to black so that we can have the fade to black transition right here. Deep to black, and then you want to drag this in where you want to put your transition. If you want it here, or in the middle between clips. In this case, we'll be using the middle between clips. And as you can see right here, it's only on the left side. So we're going to go and select our transition right here in the timeline and click the alignment or select the center at cut. And after that, you can see that now it's in the center. And when we play it, it's like this now. As you can see, we now have a fade to black right there. And if you want to extend the transition, you want to make it longer, then you can just simply drag this right here, make it longer. And now it's so much longer than before. And that is basically how you do it. And if you can also put a dip to black right here at the end or at the start, and it's basically the same. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.